We've used a lot of warmer textures and tones within this space, and I think overall it really gives that holiday vibe.
Hey Domain, Kyal and Cara here. Welcome to our latest project, Bay Builds.
We are standing in the kitchen of House 2, and for this home we went for a darker and moodier feel. We wanted you to walk into this home and feel like you've been transported into a luxury resort.
We also want to show you some areas where we've splurged and also where we've saved. We found it pretty easy to splurge in this kitchen, but especially when it came to the island bench. We knew we wanted a natural stone, and this particular stone absolutely sets it off.
Not only is the bench a natural stone, but also this range hood, and the amount of workmanship and hours that have gone into curving this is amazing. Definitely a splurge, but paid off in our opinion for the overall vibe that it creates.
One of the elements that I personally can't go past is the inclusion of natural timber in this kitchen. It absolutely sets it off.
The aged American oak is such a feature in this kitchen. You can't go past that real beautiful grain and texture. It was a splurge in this space, but absolutely worth it in our opinion.
We were able to save here by not incorporating an integrated appliance. We do, however, have a very sleek and stylish standalone fridge that, as you can see, it's been designed to fit seamlessly with the cabinetry. So you do get that integrated look, but without the price tag.
I love designing kitchen island benches that have legs to give the illusion of a big grand table that you can gather around. For this kitchen, I had designed some custom turned timber legs. That wasn't in the budget, so what I've done is bought some turned legs off the shelf and had these stained the same as the cabinetry. And it's been a way I've been able to save and still create the overall look that I was after.
For us, it was really exciting picking all the finishes for this house in particular. There's a lot of darker schemes, darker elements that is really fresh and exciting. It's new for us.